welcome to this Ayushi online classes. I am Anita here. In our previous videos, we solved some examples from exercise 6.5. Today we are going to solve next example, that is 6th one. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitudes. Solution. Already I have drawn the figure. Given triangle is equilateral. With each side 2A, altitude AD is drawn such that AD perpendicular to BC. This one given. To find AD, we need to find out AD here. Next, solution. Solution. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, AB is equal to AC. Both 2A and AD is equal to AD. Both AD is equal to AD. AD is equal to AD is a common. This one is common, and angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Both 90. Both 90 here. Both 90. Yes. Hence we can write, by RHS congruency. Hence by RHS congruency we can write triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Here BD is equal to DC. How this? By CPCT. Yes. Next one. Here BD is equal to DC. We can write this BD is equal to DC is equal to half of BC. BD is equal to DC is equal to BC. Each side is 2A. So we can write 2A by 2. So I will rub this. Next we can write here. We wrote BD is equal to DC is equal to 2A by 2. So 2 get cancelled. BD is equal to DC is equal to A. Hence BD is equal to A. In right triangle ADB, using Pythagoras theorem, we can write here AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. We know that AB is 2A square is equal to AD square. We need to find out BD. We got A, that is A square. 4A square is equal to AD square plus A square. Next, AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square. We will get here 3A square. Next, AD square is equal to 3A square. So squaring on both sides, AD is equal to root 3 into A, or AD is equal to A into root 3. The length of altitude AD is equal to A root 2. Next, question. Seventh example, prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Solution. Given is rhombus ABCD with diagonals AC and BD intersecting at O. To prove, what we have to prove? Sum of the squares of all sides is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. Since sides of a rhombus are equal, so solution. Solution. Sides of a rhombus. Sides of a rhombus. Sides of a rhombus are equal. Sides of a rhombus are equal. Here I wrote square, but squares all sides also equal and rhombus all sides also equal. I wrote the square. Next, we can write here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. We know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. We know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Right at each other a right angle. Already I have drawn that right angles. Yes, therefore we can write here angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle DOA is 90. Right angle means all angles are 90. Also we can write AO is equal to CO is equal to half of AC. This is first one. And BO is equal to DO is equal to half of BD. Look at that diagonals. We can write. Now AOB is a right angle. AOB is a right angle. Triangle. AOB is a right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem. I will write here. Using Pythagoras theorem. We can write here AB square. AB is a hypotenuse. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. OA already we wrote that half of AC square and OB we wrote that half of BD square. Next, from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 this one wrote. From 1 and 2. Next, AB square is equal to AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. AC square, 2 square is 4, BD square divided by 4. 4, I will take this side. 4 AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. All sides equal here. Sides of rhombus are equal. Sides of rhombus are equal. So we can write this 4ab square means we can write ab square plus ab square 4 times. I will write here ab square plus ab square plus ab square plus ab square will get 4ab. Next ac square plus bd square. Yes, for ab is equal to, already we wrote that is ab square plus bc square plus cd square plus ad square is equal to ac square plus bd square. Hence proved. Next, eighth one. Eighth question. In figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB. Show that. Two questions we have to prove here. We have to prove two questions here. We wrote OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Second one, AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Given triangle ABC and O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. Already I have drawn figure there. We have to prove. First one I am going to prove here. Solution. Proof. First one. Let's join the point O from. Let's join the point O from A, B, C. Already I did that using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. First one, in triangle O, A, F. First triangle. So hypotenuse is here. OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square. This is first one. Next, in triangle ODB, here using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. This is second one. Next, in triangle OEC. Next triangle is OEC using Pythagoras theorem. Here OC square is equal to OE square plus EC square. This is third one. Adding 1, 2 and 3. We will get OA square plus next OB square plus OC square is equal to AF plus AF square plus OF square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus EC square. Next, I will write here. Next one. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square. Will take left hand side, it will become minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to remaining AF square plus BD square plus again remaining is EC square. Hence proved first one. Next, second one. Second one we have to prove using Pythagoras theorem here. Second one we are going to prove now. Second one I wrote there. Using Pythagoras theorem. using Pythagoras theorem. First, in triangle AODB, we can write here OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. This is first one. Next, in triangle OFB, that is OB square is equal to OF square plus FB square. This is second one. Next, in triangle OFA, that is OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square. This is third one. Next, in triangle OEA, that is OA square is equal to OE square plus AE square. This is fourth one. Next, in triangle OEC, OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square. This is fifth one. Next, last one, in triangle ODC, here OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square. This is sixth one. Now LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS side, what is that? AX square plus, I will write here, AX square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to RHS side AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So AF square is here. AF square, what is that? OA square minus OF square plus BD square OB square minus OD square plus C square. Plus C square, we can write here OC square minus OE square. Next, AE square, OA square minus OE square plus OC square minus OD square. BF square is OB square minus OF square. Next, after this, we can write this one OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square is equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OE square minus OD square minus OF square. Next, this one LHS is equal to RHS. We got, hence proved. Next one, ninth example. Ninth one, a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. This is the question. Solution, given here height of window AC is 8 meter, length of ladder 8 meter, that length of ladder 10 meter, that is AB is a ladder here. To find, what we need to find? Distance of foot of ladder from all, that is BC. Here AB is ladder and height of window AC is a window. Next, solution. Solution. Since the wall will be perpendicular to ground. Wall will be perpendicular to ground. Wall will be perpendicular to ground, that is angle ACB is equal to 90. Wall is perpendicular to ground. Triangle ACB is a right angle. Is a right angle triangle. Right angle is a right angle triangle. Triangle ACB is a right angle triangle. ACB is a right angle triangle. So, using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, we can write here AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Here AB is a ladder, that is 10 square is equal to 8 square plus BC we need to find out. Now 100, 10 square is 100, 8 square is 64 plus BC square as it is. I will take this 64 this side. So this will become 100 minus 64 will get 36. Squaring on both sides, BC is 6 meter. So distance of foot of the ladder from base wall is 6 meter. Next,